Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are fit and fine and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 fruits with many seeds with their proper spelling and correct pronunciations. Before we start, I want to say that if you are finding my videos helpful, please do visit my channel, subscribe it, visit my videos, like them and share them with others. Now, here we go. Number 1. Pomegranate. 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 Number 2. Watermelon. Watermelon. Number 3. Blackberry. Blackberry. Number 4. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Number 5. Guava. Guava. Number 6. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Number 7. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Number 8. Orange. Orange. Number 9. Kiwi. Kiwi. Number 10. Fig. Fig. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. Have a good day. Keep learning. Bye bye.